We live in a world of amazing technological advancement, portable genius tools, and smart technologies. Some pretty fascinating gadgets are a result of these technological advancements. Today, we will discuss the 12 coolest innovations of 2022. Before that, remember to give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to stay updated. Number 1. Apple Watch Ultra. Apple has been producing its watch series for several years, and most of them have largely followed the same pattern. The Apple Watch Ultra builds as much as it can on top of all the positive aspects of earlier models. The outcome is a smartwatch that is by no means inexpensive, but it also yields the ideal tool for players of all sports. Divers, mountain climbers, tennis players, martial artists, and everyone in between have all been considered by Apple. It boasts an outstanding 36-hour battery life, is robust, water-resistant up to 100 meters, can withstand extremely cold and hot temperatures, and includes in-depth apps for tracking your fitness and health. Get it on Amazon for €84.99. Number 2. Mango Power Union. Mango Power Union is a portable backup power station that eliminates the hassles associated with power outages and provides you with an endless supply of power. A big 6.9 kilowatt battery keeps you going for longer and produces 4,350 watts of power. The Mango has two separate components. The upper part is easily lifted off the base and can be carried anywhere. With 19 different ports, you have the opportunity to charge as many gadgets as you like. As the battery charges in 2.5 hours and supports up to 4,000 watts of solar charging, this powerful power station is one of the devices with the fastest charging times. In comparison to other products, the power output is sufficient to worry-free charge your electric vehicles, as well as your largest appliances and devices for a longer period. The cost of this power plant is $2,990 on Amazon. Number 3. Beeline Velo. Trying to negotiate automobiles, pedestrians, and roads while also trying to follow your destination on your phone with a puzzled navigation system while trying to get through a city on a bike is stress like no other. Unfortunately, the Velo 2 bike computer can't get rid of the vehicles and people in your way, but it can simplify navigating. This minuscule, spherical device fastens to your bicycle and provides you with simple, minimal navigational instructions derived from tracking actual voyages. You can also monitor the time, distance, speed, and arrival time. It's waterproof. Now available on Amazon for €99.99. Number 4. Cosmo Vision. Cosmo Vision works to improve your eyesight to the next level. As the name suggests, Cosmo Vision is an augmented reality eyewear that uses active look technology to project real-time information into the right lens of the eyewear. This information includes metrics like speed, time, turn signal, and lighting information, GPS directions, and battery level, among other things. Users can also operate the smart eyewear by tapping and swiping on an external gesture sensor. The glasses may automatically change their tint level in response to environmental lighting conditions, thanks to the usage of photochromatic lenses and a light sensor. The IP54 rated glasses have a vented adjustable frame, Bluetooth 4.2 technology, and access to the Cosmo Vision app. The Cosmo Vision battery offers 12 hours of use and charges completely in about 3 hours. Purchase the most recent AR glasses for about $555. Number 5. Liteboxer. Liteboxer is a training platform created to employ LED lights, force sensors, and music to make your workout bright, entertaining, and more intense. It was made to increase everyone's coordination. It's more than just a punching bag. All fitness levels are taken into consideration when creating the platform. Additionally, there's a quick hitter mode designed for quick, intense exercises. For a genuine exercise experience, Liteboxer allows wireless connectivity to smartphones and other smart devices. You have access to a variety of workout drills produced by American professional trainers on the device's training app. You may punch to the beat of any song because rhythm technology syncs the Liteboxer to the beat of the music emanating from your smart device. The price of the Liteboxer is $1,245. Number 6. PowerVision S1. Despite its tiny size, The PowerVision S1 is a mobile tripod mount that offers you complete control and top-notch outcomes. It features an app that you can use to pair your phone via Bluetooth, allowing you to take pictures and videos just like you would with your camera app. Slow motion, panorama, and time-lapse video are some of its extra capabilities. The AI tracking on S1 follows you to all angles of your filming, and has a clever sensitivity that allows you to manage it with hand gestures. You have 3 options for connecting your phone to the PowerVision S1: a magnetic phone stand, a specially designed phone cover, or an adhesive sticker on the existing phone case. Even better, the stand comes with a built-in kickstand and a magnetic phone holder that you can attach to any surface. Additionally, it can serve as your power bank in an emergency. It may be purchased for $238. Number 7. HyperX Cloud Alpha. Great battery life is what the HyperX Cloud Alpha gaming headphones prioritize above everything else. These headphones, according to HyperX, have a 300-hour battery life. That means you may use these headphones for slightly over 12 days without needing to recharge them, though we do strongly advise taking a break at some time. In addition to their durability, these headphones provide a strong, clean sound and a mic that is of the highest caliber. Now on Amazon for €96.99. Number 8. The M by Portl. A little holographic media gadget that also serves as your means of communication. Your voice is recognized by the device, which provides you with immediate feedback on whatever you wish to accomplish. The best recorded entertainment is available to you as a result of the superb communication capabilities of this holographic communication medium. With Portl mobile app, you may add live or recorded interactive information to customize your network/streaming experience. You may beam yourself into a portal anywhere in the world thanks to the Projector's built-in studio-in-a-box capture capability, which enables the transmission of seamless images. Your ideal tool for convenient shopping, immersive entertainment, telemedicine consultations, and virtual personal training. The cost of the M Portl is $2,000 on Amazon. Number 9. DJI Mini 3 Pro. Every year, DJI's Mini series models shrink while gaining power, packing premium features into a little drone that you can throw in your bag. However, all those advancements come at an eye-watering cost, and the fear that you may lose your financial stability if you crash is increasing. Advanced obstacle avoidance capabilities, a rotating lens that allows you to capture portrait or landscape shots, 4K video, and intelligent flying capabilities like automated tracking and the ability to follow a subject are all included. This drone seems to be ideal for novices, travelers, or essentially anyone looking for a lightweight high-tech drone, despite its premium price. Get it on Amazon for €639.5. Number 10. Kodak Luma 150 Pocket Projector. The Kodak Luma 150 Pocket Projector claims to expand the screen up to 150 inches while delivering bright, vivid images. It's small enough to fit in a briefcase if you need to make a presentation for work, or in your backpack if you want to watch a movie, or improve your gaming experience while on the go. It has built-in speakers with surround sound and a headphone jack for private viewing. The battery lasts up to 2.5 hours and is rechargeable using a mini USB cable. Now on Amazon for $269.99. Number 11. FirePit Plus. Although we enjoy having bonfires and barbecues, dancing around the fire the entire night to avoid the eye-watering smoke can get tiring. The FirePit Plus makes your fire hotter, which removes smoke. The mesh edges of the fire basket allow plenty of air in while battery-operated fans at the bottom fan the flames from below. Because of the enhanced airflow, the flame burns hotter and more effectively, which results in less smoke being produced. Additionally, you can place some charcoal inside and place a barbecue on top. Depending on how loud they are set, the fans can run for 7 to 30 hours. The battery can be recharged via USB. Now on Amazon for $227.95. Number 12. IRobot Roomba J7 Plus. With its robot model, IRobot, not to be confused with the 2004 Will Smith film, is the market leader in robotic vacuums. The new Roomba J7 Plus, which gets smarter every year, combines a vacuum and a mop into one device. Although this isn't new in and of itself, the company has included a self-retracting mop feature. When it gets close to the carpet, the mop rises up out of the way so that it can only be used where you want it. Theoretically, this suggests a robot vacuum that is completely independent and doesn't require assistance. So this is how the rebellion of the robots begins, right? Buy right away on Amazon for €999. If you liked one of the gadgets, check out the description for the links to the products. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the notification bell so you may not miss any future updates. See you in another video. Until then, take care.